It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times. Co.za. Sundowns 2, Sikukune nil. I'm doing this for the second time in another video. It's Sikukune nil, the home team.
Yeah.
Mamelodi Sundowns 2. With all due respect, of course, we always have to say the home team first in the Betway Premiership. Well, I suppose the mistake comes from the fact that Sundowns looked like the home team if you looked at that game. Although pedestrian in terms of pace, not their best, but they did look like the team that was going to score a goal if a goal was going to be scored. We almost did not see it, just like Pirates versus Kukune on the other fixture. Mr. So-and-so, watch the game. What did you think about the game, sir?
Mr. Kunjani mfethu?
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise wena, ngibulise Stizi.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise chairman my chairman. Ngibulise lapha uBubo Khadoso.
Yes, sir.
Nomhleka Zomhle. Ungasubhubha ngecawe.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise nanemakhaya. Ngicela support njalo like Diski TV. Ngizobe njengoba injalo akuchike futhi.
It smelled like a draw.
Yeah, Mr. Kyo, but at the end, things had to change. The last,
5
I would
minutes.
say 5 minutes. Same applies to almost to what happened against the Orlando Pirates. The last 10 minutes, it nearly make a serious difference in the game. Well done, Gabuyelo. You know, Mr. Kyo, sometimes they say you need to play sometimes like a champion where people, they think they're in your same level, but at the end you come on top and show them who are you, what is that you can do. And I said it, Mr. Gill, that you know, even though they started with, we'll say, a B team, Mamelodi Sundowns, but one thing that I did emphasize was, even though it's a B team, but pound to pound, I doubt that Skukune can match Sundowns players, even though those players were B team. Because if you can defend with a low block with players that are not regulars, it must tell you something.
Now, let me ask you something,
Yeah.
just on that point. Many of those Sundowns players are not playing currently.
Yeah,
Skukune played Stellenbosch,
Yeah.
Pirates,
yeah,
now Sundowns,
yeah.
after the African Cup of Nations.
Yes.
So, umfuto we game time, Baupeta. When you play Sundowns, although Sundowns have better players, more expensive players,
Yeah.
even their third string team,
Yes.
those players, maybe some of them, Onyango, when was the last time we saw him at AFCON?
yeah.
But we haven't seen him at Sundowns in a long
Yes,
time.
yes.
For example, Divine Lunga, we haven't seen him as well. My question would be that at some point these things have to cancel each other. The quality versus the game time, yalaba, Skukune.
Mr. Gill, you know, sometimes I get your point. You can play week in, week out, Mr. Gill, but if you don't have quality, you don't have quality.
Well, even you can still play PSL football.
No,
You
trust
might not
me.
last 90 minutes.
Yeah, but I
the
can
fact that
give-
it's still you.
I can give you something.
And junior, even junior.
Even
also.
junior. That one, I'm 100% sure that you'll get something.
The quality
out of
that
us.
you are.
Yes. That's one thing that I think is Kukune, they lack facing against Sundowns, because you know when you play against the B team, one, your mileage, it's more than theirs. Two, even the fitness, you know, psychologically, you know, everything, you are ahead of them. So when you play against people like that, why don't you go with them? Go with them. This guy, if Eric thought of that to say, yes, it's Sundowns, they're a big team, they've got quality players, I respect them, but I know these players, they were not playing. Ndamase just came in now. He was playing for ETS Galaxy. Johannes, they've never had 3 games together. So it tells you that that back four of Mamelodi Sundowns,
Divine Lunga.
the Divine Lunga,
Thapelo Morena.
Thapelo Morena,
It's a brand new
all
back
of
four
them,
plus a
even
goalkeeper.
the midfielders. Even the mid, I would say actually the whole team, because you just spoke now about Dennis Onyango. When was the last time you saw him playing? And then now you like, no man, they've never played together, these guys. No, let's go with them. Let's run at them. And I know for a fact that Eric's players, Kukune players, they are fit. And if Eric decided to say, let me run on them, they were going to get tired, Sundowns players. Trust me. You know, sometimes you need to look at players and say, you know what, I respect Sundowns. I know they've got good players. Individually, yes, I cannot match. But as a team, if I can run on them, I think I can get something out of that. So he allowed Sundowns to dictate. Sundowns, they play as if they playing home. And yeah, sometimes it's a very same mistake that Steve Barker did. He played against Pirates, sitting at the back, he catch Pirates with a break, he won the game. The following week, he went to play Kaizer Chiefs. He tried to do the very same thing that he did against Pirates.
It did not work against Pirates.
It didn't work.
He thought that it worked against Pirates. It did not work.
Yeah.
The
actually,
1-0
there was a
scoreline is a
mistake.
deception.
Yeah.
1-0 on the scoreboard at full time, it's a deception. If you look at the fullness of the game, you
Yes.
will know whether you lost or won.
That's what happened again now, because he did
Because
that
he lost against Pirates.
Pirates.
He lost against Pirates.
Yeah, I would say
Even
that.
though it was 0-0.
Yes.
He lost against Pirates.
So now he said, Pirates, I've managed to get a point. Okay, now let me go with the very same thing against Sundowns. But now he forgot that Sundowns, this team, they were not playing for quite some time. Change your strategy now. You are not playing against Modiba that's starting the game, Modawu, Abu Alende, Tebza, Shaloli starting. You can name them. You're not playing against them. So that means you've got an edge now to say, I'll run at them. I'm not good enough, but I can fight as a team.
He did not ask them all of those questions. So
Nothing.
I appreciate what you're saying, and it's what he's supposed to do. But ultimately, we have to tell the people he did not do
Yeah.
that. He
No,
did
no,
not
no.
ask them any questions.
Yeah.
And we're talking about a back four. Those are strangers. They don't know each other yet, but you didn't ask them a single question.
That's why I'm saying I think he showed more respect in Sundowns and forget that some individual players at Sundowns were not playing, especially a team that were not playing together, because the back four, including the keeper, it automatically it should click to you to say, no man, I doubt that they do have an understanding. I doubt that they understand each other very well. So if I'm gonna cheat, have 1, 2, 3 cheat, and then the 3 sit here, we've got 7 defending, I play transition, I'll catch them. But now, yeah, Sundowns, hold on to Sundowns. And here's the thing, Mr. Gill, and I always say this, there's games that coaches will win games. Looking at the game and say, the coach was playing the game, that's why they've won the game. And there's games where players, they win the game. This game, players, they've won this game. Because now they came in showing the coach to say, I'm better. You don't have to put me in the bench. Look what I can do. I mean, look at the run. The ball from Adams to Gulontuzana Gumudao. Umudao played back with the header to Fanalo. I just missed him now. Pumalegu HMN. And then he played a pass back to Umudao. Look at Umudao, cut inside. Same action, Sebelebele. And I said it, give yourself a second or two in that box. Same thing. If Sebelebele did the very same thing, I was going to lay it to a police. That's what Umudao said. But now it tells you, you cannot go to Woolworths and buy experience. You must earn it. The more you play, you'll earn that. Good lay, good finish. Santos Lapana. Look at the trapping sniper. You know, Mr. Keu, Mr. Keu, that player, whether we like it or not, that player is a very good player, Mr. Keu. He's a goal scorer. He's always in the right position at the right time. The trapping. Look at the pass, how he trapped the ball, Ushasha Lapayana, and tried to finish. Good save from the keeper. And this boy, Mr. Keu, let me tell you.
I'm going to go there. We're closing the video. You've seen a few glimpses of Brian Leon. What do you think of Brian Leon?
Mr. Keu, PSL teams are in trouble. I'm telling you. Those defenders are in trouble. Leon, he knows how to run away from defenders. And he's good at attacking the ball. I mean, look at, there was another header that he did to lay it back, where he came, he was far away from the defender, but when the ball was traveling, He came in front of the defender and laid back. And look at in that ball Shalulile where Ushalulile Shaile, who goalkeeper made a save and then he came in just to tap in. Mr. Keo, but one thing Ngaya is he's good with the ball. He knows when to run and he's very smart. He doesn't run far away from the defender because he's calculating to say, if the ball is short, I can come quickly. But if the ball is long, then the ball is going to come to me and the defender is there. He's very smart. He's making very good runs. And I think he's going to score more goals.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Mr. So-and-so. It is TV, Itiski Times, also spitting.
Hola Bafetu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafetu, I'm a coach for life. They're back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.